Up again. I don't know if it'll sustain, but volume is pretty damn good. PHUN, Fun, is definitely a name we want to keep an eye on. They did issue more shares. It used to trade on a much lower float, but we'll see how that plays out. EOLS is also another name that just started climbing on this list. They're actually up a decent amount right now. Their float is a little bit lower. PYX, of course, IGC, of course, two names to watch. Bitcoin starting to bounce back a touch, which is why Riot is up. And then there's a sneaky name on the list, PRPO. I did take a look at it. However, we don't know. I don't know if it's going to head out or not. The reason why there's some interest is that it's actually had a little bit more volume than normal in pre-market action. It's back where it started, but it was up a decent amount early, so I want to keep a close eye on it. IMUX, remember the moves they made yesterday. We'll see if it's a risk-off day for them or if they're going to be looking to continue that bump from yesterday. And then ACER, ladies and gentlemen, ACER, which is down 60%, okay? 60% right now.